welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I've done a little video like this, but with a hairstyle like this, it is so worth the video. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to tell you guys all the little details on how to get this look on your head. Okay, so the first thing I did was wash and blow dried my hair. Guys, please make sure to blow dry your hair before you do this because it will cut your time down in like a half. I just started using this braiding gel and it's been pretty good for hold. This is the hair that I'm using today. It's Bobbi Boss's French curls. I will say the hair has a nice yucky texture to it that kind of goes with my natural hair texture, but because the hair in the packet was so long, I cut it in half. That way I could get this nice bob look. Other products that you'll need is this braiding rack and of course your crochet needle. I'll make sure to link all my products below so you guys can grab them on my Amazon storefront, and I'll appreciate if you guys are purchasing it with my link as it will help me tremendously. The right side of my head will not really be shown, so I'm just throwing in some braids in there because we're gonna crochet over it. I was up till like 3 a.m. doing this, so I'm just gonna put some foam and wrap my hair, go to sleep, let it set, and when I wake up in the morning we will tackle the rest. Make sure to take notes of the braid pattern in the back. Nothing crazy because we're just gonna crochet the entire back, but go ahead and take any screenshots of it in case you need it for reference. This part has to be the simplest part, crocheting the hair. I'm gonna like zoom in a bit, but for now, I just wanted to show you guys how this works. I'm literally just crocheting the hair through, and then I am looping it a few times to make it secure. I want to say I looped it like maybe like 4 times. Some people like to loop it like twice, like put 2 pieces through, and then on the last piece put 1 loop through. You can also do that method, but for this part of my head, since I'm not planning on keeping this style in for too long, I'm not going to do that because it's going to lock it in way much more than I need it to right now. So like you guys see here, I'm looping it through and then locking the needle, and then I'm going to literally just like put it through like 4 times to make sure it's secure. But if you want it to be more secure, I would definitely pull only 1 piece through on the last loop. Also, I do want to mention that I only used 1.5 packs of hair, but I did purchase 3, so you guys really don't need that much. And a look at the results. $10 can get you a hairstyle like this, yes, in this economy. And a style like this, you could push it for 3 weeks even if you wanted to. But as always, thank you guys for watching my channel. Make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll try to drop more videos like this with more details. Love ya. Bye.